delighted to be with you to celebrate the 20th anniversary of this program. I encourage you to continue finding ways to promote understanding between our countries. You're the future of Tunisian-American relations. You're the ones who make a difference.
The experience for me was an amazing one. Other than the fact that I got to meet so many wonderful people pre and during my exchange, I got to be exposed to so many global perspectives with which I was able to formulate my own perspective on the world.
It was the opportunity for me to be exposed to different nationalities, which is something I never had before. I became very aware on how other people think and how the connections with other people can influence us on making decisions and being a different and a better human being in general.
The YES journey was actually the first time I got to travel abroad. I was 17 at the time, and throughout the YES program you get to have the world brought to you in one place because it was so diverse. We had students from different countries, different nationalities and various backgrounds, so that was very culturally enriching.
I will never forget the people I met there, what I did and the impact they had on me as well as the impact I had on them, because as a Muslim person going there, it could be very hard to fit in, but then you get close to them and then you get to talk to them about your life and then they get to share with you their piece of their life, and I think that's the best part of it.
What was remarkable, I loved to volunteer, and I got to see for the first time that volunteering can be done through different organizations like churches, schools. I also got to try theater for the first time. I did swimming, and that was also very exciting.
And even with my host community, I was able to work with local government officials. I worked with one of them that had an environmental institute, and she was a state house representative, and she has inspired me to engage in politics, and that's mainly thanks to the YES program.
The thing about the YES program is at first it seems like the exchange year is the most important part. That's where all the action happens. But afterwards you realize that that's only where the journey begins.
Do not be afraid of change. Get out of your comfort zone. Say yes to applying to the YES program.
It's definitely the most unique experience that you could have at that young of an age.
The result that you get out of it at the end of the day is worthless, and so please apply and come join the family.
Take this opportunity to celebrate your success and embrace your failures to learn from them.
You'll get to discover yourself, you get to know the real you.
Go ahead, apply. You might think you might not make it. You try and then you learn and then you make the most out of it, and that's the best part.